Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to fix the C510 error in your Roomba vacuum cleaner. Now it's a very easy method. I'm going to show you step by step. The first thing that you want to do is remove the vacuum bin. This is foremost the step to resolve the issue. Simply remove the vacuum bin, and from there it will detach the bin from the robot, and you can check it for any issues. Now from there you need to check for debris or damage, because in the vacuum cleaner itself there can be some debris left or simply damage. Sometimes there can be dust blocking the sensor or the connection port, which it doesn't allow the Roomba to connect to the port. Now from here, clean it with a gently soft cloth and check any dents in the bin. Now from there you need to reinstall the vacuum bin. This is done by sliding it into the bin slot till it makes a connection. The bin should be firmly attached to the robot. This will help you to reconnect with the sensor and work smoothly. Check if it is firmly attached by wiggling it a little. If it does not wiggle, then the bin and the robot are firmly attached to each other. This is very important, and from there you need to restart the Roomba vacuum. Press the button on the Roomba to restart it. As you restart the vacuum, the error code will be cleared and it will resume the cleaning the room. If you see a green light on the robot and a voice saying ready to clean, it means the error has been fixed. But if you're unable to fix the C510 error in Roomba by following the above steps, then do try to contact the Roomba's customer care service. They will probably guide you to resolve the error for you. Now this is a very easy fix. Just simply follow these steps and fix the error code from a Roomba. Now if this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy How to Tech Simplified tips. Thanks for watching.